Jordanandfriends, and today I'm going to be opening some twosies and a Kinder Surprise egg. And I also have a special guest with me.
Who's the special guest?
Jordan.
In the Toronto Blue Jays jersey.
Okay, come on, sit.
I don't know what he's doing. Tulowitzki. Oh.
Woo!
What's your name?
Jordan from Jordan.
Yeah, that's Jordan from Jordanandfriends. If you haven't subscribed to his channel yet, go subscribe. All right, so Callie, you gonna open up your twosie first? All right, let's open it up. Let's see what you're gonna get inside. Stickers. Oh, that's the checklist. Oh. In the bag.
Wait, because one is a little doll and one is a pet.
You want the trusty scissors?
I can just rip them.
You think? Oh, what are you doing? Grossery. There we go. Get it right in the center. There we go.
It's so cute.
Okay. Can I see the checklist, Jordan?
It's a little cute guy.
Let's see.
It's a little guy. I don't know. What's your name? I'll check after.
Yeah, we'll check after and.
Yeah. Break it off and everything. I can do it. Oh, I already got a hole.
All right, let's see. It's supposed to be a matching dog or something, right?
It might be matching, it might not be matching. Oh, it's not matching, but it's so cute. This little puppy.
Look at that puppy dog.
So cute.
Ah, very cool.
So that's who I got.
All right, let's move that the plastic away and let's put the doll and okay, Callie, put the doll and stuff right here and the dog. There you go. All right, Jordan, do you want to open up your sticky pop? That's the plastic's already been removed just to save some time.
Yep.
And a lot of the grocery are coming out.
Yep.
So let's see what we're going to get here.
Can I look at this?
We get the checklist. Let's set them up.
Oh, they even have names for them.
Yes, they do.
They're really big names.
So it looks like we have salt and pepper.
There's like thousands of these.
We have like a crab thing and
Green pencil.
it's a green pretzel. Yummy. That looks yummy. Gotta eat that.
What's this? Is that an octopus?
It looks like a squid or something.
You would eat a squid?
Let's see. All right, Jordan, why don't you open that up?
When you eat this squid, you just stab it in there.
All right, Myra, be careful with scissors, guys.
Usually I just stab it in when I
Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. And everybody going
You go what? Guess?
I can open it for you so you don't look. Oh, sorry, I know. Okay, drink. That's fine. You're gonna be so happy.
All right, let's see what it
Let me
is.
show them first. This is what he got. It's actually really soft.
All right, give it to Jordan.
It's really soft, Jordan.
It's hard. It's not always soft.
Yeah, it is.
All right,
Doggy fell over.
open her up. You didn't even guess, so I'm like, what's the sense of closing your eyes?
I just like to close my eyes.
Okay, you got an orange.
This is a
well,
Wait.
Jordan, that's a rotten orange. I saw one before.
that's the one that we got. We'll see who we got, and we'll come back with the names. All right, let's open up the Kinder Eggs first.
Jordan, get your Kinder Egg. Oh, you already got it.
All right,
Oh, look. At the top, it's already open.
Oh, it's in like a yellow. It's like
It's
a
in a
lighter.
yellow container.
It's a darker yellow than normal. Did you open yours?
All right, oh, Callie got a.
I got the Jill minion.
Is that a
No,
minion?
that's not a Jill. Let me check.
Well, let's take a look, Callie.
Callie, can
I
we
just
trade?
ripped
Callie, let's take a look.
Okay.
Callie, can we trade?
What did you get?
What
No thanks.
did you get, Jordan?
That's
Oh, that's the that's the girl. What's her name? I forget her name.
I need to check this.
All right, we'll be right back, guys.
Okay, so this is what we got.
All right, so we'll start off with the grocery gang. We got right there, Snot and Pepper. That's frozen fowl. This one is the Not Nice Pretzel. And this one, I believe it's the Revolting Sultana. I wasn't quite sure about that one, but I'm pretty sure that's what that one was. Now, for what Jordan got for in his Kinder Egg, so if you use the red thing, it'll show minions on the piece of paper that you can't see any other time. All right, now we found the dog in the checklist, but we just can't find the baby. So if anyone knows who that baby is, please tell us, because we don't know. And Callie got the minion, and that little drill bit will.
You got a little thing
Yep.
in the back, and then it spins.
So yeah, it
It's
spins,
kinda hard.
and then he can drill in the ice. All right, guys. Remember to leave a like, subscribe to Callie's channel. We'll be back with more of these fun videos. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later, guys.